United States of America, e pluribus unum, 1 cent. Okay, I have some information here for the most valuable 1978, no mint mark, Lincoln Memorial Cent, and 1976, no mint mark. Okay, let's read the information. I will read the information. Okay. Here we go. The highest price ever paid for a 1978 penny was $4,259.38. The amount realized in a 2014 auction for a specimen graded MS67 Plus RD by Professional Coin Grading Service PCGS. Okay, moving on to 1976. The record for the most valuable 1976 Lincoln penny without a mint mark goes to a specimen that received a grade of MS68RD from Professional Coin Grading Service PCGS. That particular piece took a whopping $7,931.25 in a 2014 auction. Okay, that's all. I hope I was able to provide some information for coin collecting. Bye for now and have a great day.